Today's AI isn't memoryless. It jots a few notes about you into a file, but come back tomorrow.
Who are you again?
A file of notes isn't real memory. It's shallow, it's trapped in one app, and it quietly goes stale. Switch tools and everything that made it yours is gone. Lumen is different. Real memory that lives above the AI? It learns you, your projects, your preferences, the decisions you have made. And it remembers by meaning. Ask in a completely different way, and it still finds the right memory.
Welcome back, right where we left off.
It sorts what matters, your standing rules, the facts, the story so far, then hands back only the pieces that fit. It even keeps itself clean. Stale or contradicting notes get reviewed and retired, so your AI never runs on old information. Swap the AI and the memory stays. Because it was never the AI's, it is yours. It runs on your hardware. Nothing ever leaves your walls. And the more you use it, the more it knows you. Lumen, your memory above every model, owned by you.